Now they are preparing for their celebration of Pakistan, guys. Pakistani, my co-worker, they are preparing for their what the event now, Mr. Rizan, for Pakistan? What?
I forget English. Yom al-Wadani.
What?
Independence Day.
Pakistan
14 August.
Independence Day. Okay. Pakistan Independence Day. Now they are preparing for their celebration. This is our work area. But now they are preparing for their Pakistan Independence Day. Look, they are preparing now. Then I make video again later if we are start. Now they bring the foods. Later the foods here. Okay, later I make a video again. Thank you for watching, guys.